So the first thing is we talk about question 1 first. Find the value of the following. So to find these values for question 1, we use the definition of NI. If I say this is n factorial divided by r factorial, n minus r factorial. So you can use that to find this, find that. And for C, so for C, you I don't think we have done much identities in this course. So we'll just say let's do 9 factorial, 3 factorial, 9 minus 3 factorial plus 9 factorial, 4 factorial, 9 minus 4 factorial. So you can put those two answers together. It's too fine. Though there are shortcuts, but maybe let's just go by that way. But we avoid so much things to know. Then question 2, A, we have n choose 2, which is defined as n factorial divided by 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial. You see? That is, once we understand what factorial is, so we can write this as n, n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial, and divided by 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial. Okay, so we can cancel this part and this part. So we remain with n minus 1 over 2. And here I told it's equal to 36. So you will say 36 like that. So if we cross multiply, we'll get 72 is equal to n squared minus n. So that if we put things together, we have n squared minus n minus 72 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic. So, because you guys know how to solve quadratic related. So, I hope that's fine. Do you have any questions? Yes. Any questions? Because I want to say B, you refer to A, but we'll talk about it a bit. B, we have n plus 2 plus 4 is actually equal to 6 and 2. So we define on both sides n plus 2 factorial divided by 12 factorial, and then n plus 2 minus 4 factorial is actually equal to 6 n factorial, 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial, like that. So we can simplify this. It will be n plus 2 factorial over 4 factorial, and then n minus 2 factorial equal to 6, or we can say 2 into 6, that will be 3, multiplied by n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial. So you see, there we have this canceling with this one. You cross multiply and then divide, so you cancel, and then you remain with n plus 2, n plus 1, n factorial, you leave it as 1 factorial, 3 n factorial. So this 4, we must cross multiply here. Like that. So you see, this n factorial and that one will cancel. So again, we have n squared plus 3n plus 2 minus, this is 24 times 3, which is 72 is equal to 0. So another quadratic that you guys can solve. Already question 2 is just trying to remind us of if we're able to use this, it is not much of a big deal, I think. Okay. And then this identity, this one is not what to do. What identity and this one is not what to do. So now we go to question 4. Question 4, we want to prove that these coefficients are equal to 2 to the power n. But we know one thing, 2 is equal to 1 plus 1. So if we write 2 as 1 plus 1, then put the power n, it means we're going to have n0, 1 to the power n, plus n1, 1 power n minus 1, 1, plus n2, 1, n minus 3, 1. You keep going until you have n in 1 power n. But you know that 1 to n power is 2, 1. So it means now at the left hand side has become 2 to the power n. Then on the right, you just remove the coefficients, n0, n1, n2, up to nn. Good. So there, all we needed to say is that, well, we understand that 2 to the power n is just 1 plus 1 to the power n. Because remember, binomial expansion, yeah, We move to, we said question 3 and 5 are not to be discussed today. We move to question 6. Question 6 is saying expand the following by binomial formula. I think you can just in there. You found a very smooth. So let's add that the binomial formula is being talked about. We have to do A, 6A, 1 plus 1 over x. Good.
Sir, that question you're doing, 6A, we did it as an example yesterday.
Ah. So then there's nothing much there that we need to talk about. If I can do G, let me do 6G minus x plus y minus 1 to the power 4. If you want, we can write this as minus x plus 1 over y power 4. You still have the content. So now this will be 4 to 0. And then minus x power 4 plus 4 to 1 minus x power 3 1 over y plus 4 plus 2 minus x power 2 1 over 1 square plus 4 plus 3 minus x power 1 1 over 1 square and then plus 4 plus 4 1 over 1 power 4. And you guys know how to write out these numbers. If you want, you can use Pascal's triangle to get these coefficients. It's too quite dynamic for me. So after you write it like this, then you can use Pascal's triangle to get the okay. So go to 7. I think 7A we did.
Yes.
So do C. C is 2.03. So we want to do an expansion of, let's do 2 plus x to the power 5. On the right it has 2, 1 plus x over 2. We then give 2 to the power 5 and there power 5. So that 2 power 5 is 32. Then now we'll have the expansion of the inside. Remember here that it's saying 2 decimal places, so just need to get 2 terms. So we'll have 1 plus 5x over 2 plus take the other term, that's enough. And then we now go and look for, since we have expanded it in this form, we are saying 2 plus x should be equal to 2.03. Then solve for x. So x is 2.03 minus 2, which is 0.03. So now we have 2 plus 0.03 power 5 will be equal to page 2. 1 plus 5, 0.03 over 2. Like that. This is going to be page 2. Then multiply plus 2 into 22. That's 16. Then we do 16 by 5. That's 80. Then 80 times 0.03. That's 3.4. So we still need to make another 10 for us to get to the decimal place. So let's put the other 10. 5 by 4 over 2 factorial multiplied by 0.03 over 3 squared. So here we're adding another 10. You know what 10 what we add? So we will like going back to the expansion where we are trying to apply this property. That will be 1 plus n(x) plus n minus 1 over 2 ax squared. So now we'll come back to this here. So this is like 4. Taking that one. And then remember there's a 2 coming from outside. So 2 into 2. Again we get 16. 16 by 5. We get 80. Then we multiply by 0.03 squared. So we have 0.072. So this one now is going to be h2 plus 2.4. That's h4.472. So 2 different ways you can just forget about that 2. So basically what we are doing is we look at the number is 2.03, but binomial does not choose a single digit. You need to add something, a plus b to the power n. So you identify your a. If you have 2.03, the best option is 2 plus 0.03, the same power 5. So you work out things like that. I mean, so you work out things like that at each point, so they're not stressed. Because if you pick, let's say 1, you have a backload because 2.03 and 1, you're going to have like 1 plus 1.03. So that would be too much. You expand, so you cannot do anything. But just the 2, then you back that out, then you go from 0 out. Going what? Not so deep. Pick. Is that the question?
Yes, sir. The question is saying to 2 decimal places, 34.472.
So you round off 2 decimal places. Okay. So now we go to question 8. Simplify the following expression. So there I will simplify just one. The nice one will be P. Really nice. So B, 9B. So we have 8 here. So we have this guy plus that guy. There's some places. Here, just simplifying. So we do x power 4 plus 4x root 2 plus 4 by 3 over 2 x. This is x power 3. Here x power 2 root 2 squared plus 4, 3, 2 over 3 factorial x power 3 root 2 plus 4, 3, 2 over 4 factorial. Then root 2 factorial. So this plus, you come back and bring in the other one, x power 4 also, plus 4 x power 3 minus 2 plus 4, 3 over 2 x power 2 minus 2 squared plus 4, 3, 2 over 3, 2 x power 3 minus 2, x power 1 now. The power of x are this one. And then minus 2 power 3. Then plus 4, 3, 2 over 4, 3, 2. And then minus 2 power 4. Yeah, so you just put those together now. So you have this can be added to give us a 2x power 4. And these two can be added, so you have 4 root 2 minus 8. So you can write it as 4 root 2 minus 8 x power 3. And then the power 2 is also, this is now 2. So you get,
Yes, on the first equation, why is it that the x, why is have you written x power 3? I thought it was supposed to be the other way around.
this is just, and this is power 3. Yeah, like that. So just combining now here, you can combine again. This is 2. This is 1 there, 2. So we get 6. So we have 6. So we have 6 by 2, that's 12. And then down here we have 4. So we have 12 plus 12, that's 24. X power 2. In the next one, this will cancel. And then we have minus 8 by 4, that's minus h2. So minus h2 by 3 plus minus h2, then that is h2 power 3, that's like h2 squared first, so h2 by 4, that's 8. So we have plus 8 multiplied by h2, and then x. then the last one, that's like 4 minus means 4 plus 16, that's 20. And this becomes like that. So reject this. Not so complicated, no?
Why did the what's this there on the first expansion, the one for x plus root 2 to the power 4? Like, why did there where there's 4 to the power 2 and then 3 in brackets, where did the 3 come from?
Coming from this formula. What is the formula using 1 plus a expressing? The power x.
Yeah, understanding that formula.
We start by this, and then this, and then n minus 1 over 2. So our n is 4, then n minus 1 is 3. That's how it is from.
Oh,
That's how good thing is there.
all right, thank you.
Okay, so question 9. Question 9, you treat the first number as a, but treat this one as your a, then the whole thing as your b. And you can actually expand one to a, the power 4 first, and then come back where there is a, substitute x squared minus x. Okay, so the question right now, we are going to find the thing usually that down. See? These are questions that we expect to answer the case. Therefore, I think up to you. I will not design for the place. That's why it's a problem. Then the margin is that this room nowadays, the country that needed. That's why the letter will not come like we did without the pronunciation. If I say we join that would be close to 20 feet in advance that I think. So we keep moving. What was start from question 10? After we are done, then maybe we can agree to do that if they are necessary. You know, question 5 and 3. Yeah, maybe I need to so do them. So now we enjoy and try to solve from question 10 going down to that. Because we did all these things yesterday, we're just using those theorems now to solve. It's like they were doing examples yesterday. If you miss yesterday's class, please, if you did the group, you can reuse it to check. And this video, once it's done, upload to it. You pop up. And then you pop up. Nothing else.